Welcome to Owen Allen Media. Vybz Kartel has fired back at Beenie Man in an unreleased song, taking direct shot at Beenie Man's claim of being the king of dancehall. In the song, Kartel boldly declares that Beenie Man needs to step aside, saying he's trying to take the crown that no longer belongs to him. Kartel reminds us why he's called the lyrical genius, never want to stay silent while being dissed left, right, and center. Check out the song.
What the sun done me nose? What we got to do with bad mind? What we do with some title gas? Them ya nobody else gal a short go no down. We do it for bank account, them a do it for the cloud. Stop watch and chatty gal boy, real fish you know. Who want to be rich, ever pre-rich yo. You want to take my crown, you have a way which is so. Pick up the eagle, I made it, pigeon so.
This is the Vybz Kartel we know, fearless, unfiltered, and ready to defend his throne. The song sending a powerful message, cementing why fans continue to call him the king of dancehall. Kartel once said that even at 50, he will still be running dancehall, and at this rate, it's clear he wasn't lying. With 2025 just starting, the world isn't ready for what he's about to unleash. International features and a new album. Vybz Kartel dissed Beenie Man after Beenie Man took to social media in an attempt to reignite his claim to the crown, but with Kartel consistently delivering timeless hits and his influence growing stronger by the day, Beenie Man's effort may just add fuel to a fire he can't control. Beenie Man posted a video of Vybz Kartel acknowledging him as the king of dancehall at that time, saying it was straight from the horse's mouth.
Beenie Man, you're king of the dancehall when you come out of your mother belly. Remember that. Respect your honor. You me and you some breast specialist. I'm a first number one.
But let me break it down to you. Beenie Man posting that video doesn't mean you're still the king. It simply shows that Vybz Kartel back then did the right thing by giving you the respect you deserve. Right? Basically, that was years ago. So since then, Vybz Kartel has done everything to elevate himself to a greater level than you, both musically and culturally, right? Dancehall fans have crowned him king, and even Billboard in a recent interview just the other day referred to Vybz Kartel as the king of dancehall. Kartel himself embraced the title in an onstage interview because what he's earned it, and no one can deny that. Now, Beenie Man, it's time to gracefully pass the crown to Vybz Kartel, because holding on to the title doesn't change the fact that the world recognized Kartel as the king. The influence Kartel have on dancehall despite being behind bars years ago prove his dominance. You have had your moment, Beenie. You earn your Grammy. You set the stage and no one is taking that away from you, but it's time to acknowledge Vybz Kartel as the current king and give Kartel his flowers. In fact, the Grammy should solidify this and crown Vybz Kartel when he attends the Grammy next month. That recognition from every platform, the same platform Beenie Man once praised, would just end the debate. Who agree? Just let me know in the comment section right now. Let me know your thoughts on this, because Vybz Kartel is king. I'm gonna know what else to say about it, because the man is just the man. You see me? Yes, Kartel. Masicka song Whites was recently heard blasting while Arsenal players train, and I couldn't be more happier to see this. Big up Masicka. Whites is officially a hit song, and we can't deny that. As a fan of both Masicka and Arsenal, right, it's incredible to see one of my favorite Premier League clubs, including Liverpool, vibing to a dancehall anthem. Masicka himself reposted the clip, and it's a proud moment for the artist. This is exactly how the music should continue to travel and breaking boundaries and reaching global audience. So check out the video right now for yourself and watch our dancehall keep making waves worldwide. Grung one side.